So it's been like thundering in the same spot for the past half hour. Oh my god. Isn't that just beautiful? This is the storm that's coming off the lake that's supposed to be forming actually several miles away from where I live. But it looks like it's just down the road. I know you can't really see it very well because of the tree, and I'm kind of happy that the tree's here because I really don't want to be any closer to this than I am. There's no thunder. It's just continuous light, and it just keeps going. Probably the stupidest thing I've ever done. Man, I wish the camera speed was quicker on this baby. The wind speeds are, as the weatherman says, supposedly around 15 miles an hour right now. They're trying to reach the iPad out of my screen, out of my hands. It's not raining. That driplets are coming down, but they're not part of this on top of us. They're actually from a storm that's south of us. Isn't it beautiful, Mom? I'm taking a whole video. Maybe not 15 minutes, but... Yeah. Oh yeah, there's definitely some rotation out there, but like it's not enough. But no, I mean,
said it's not been, the weather service hasn't said anything.
No, I mean it's just in the same spot over and over again, and it's amazing. Probably.
You are okay with him right now, aren't you?
Oh yeah, everything's wonderful.
Okay, I was worried because you've been grumpy a little bit.
No, I'm just so tired yesterday.
Well, tomorrow maybe if nothing bad happens, or tomorrow. Oh my God!
I told you.
We need to see this.
This
It's
is
not lightning here, is it?
No, it's just over there.
Oh my God!
And this has been going on for the past hour. I've got 3 minutes of nothing but lightning. I've never seen anything like this before. You can see, well, you guys can't see it, but whenever the lightning strikes, you can see the rain falling in the sky from the lightning, because it's doing that thing where it looks like a bad water painting. The wind's really picking up where it was just gusts. Now it's really increasing to just a steady breeze. The steady breeze really isn't that much, but then every now and then a gust will come in. But yeah, the clouds are moving around pretty fast inside of the, I don't even know what you call that. They're in different places every time when the lightning strikes. Well, that was a good spot right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. That seems might be dying down or moving somewhere else. Or another cloud has come up and gotten in the way. That was a big one. I take that back. There's thunder. I probably wouldn't be able to be out here. Not like I'm afraid of it or anything, but it just kind of puts a sense of urgency. Is she coming? I've never seen anything like this before. Even whenever we had that one heat storm, this is something completely new. And I've got 6 minutes of video of nothing but lightning. I'm not.
This is...
I got 64 gigabytes. 6 minutes ain't nothing.
Holy crap! This is amazing!
Did Dad forget to put pants on?
Yes.
You can stand behind me.
You could see it better. We're looking this way.
Oh, he doesn't care. He probably just got out of bed to make you happy.
I wonder if they see this. You don't see this too often in your lifetime.
No. I'm really happy we're not in Euclid.
It will be. That's where the rotation's starting, so something comes down, it's going to come down in Willoughby probably. This is beautiful. People are driving and looking at it at the same time, aren't they?
I actually haven't been paying attention.
They are. It's like you slow up and do the slow and fast, slow, fast, because it's like, oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that one. But it's constant.
I would have pulled over somewhere if I was driving just to watch this. It's it's nature's personal fireworks show.
They see in Australia and all the time.
Well, Phoenix isn't Australia. This is America.
I know. This is amazing. Like right here along my neck, when I turn my head like this,
Yeah.
I feel like I have a dangly earring on.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
I get that when my hair gets too long.
That's not my hair though. I get that with my hair. Yeah, it is kind of, well, it's almost 11, so.
Huh?
It is almost 11, so maybe it's
Oh yeah, this is normal. No, this is normal traffic for 11 o'clock.
Yeah, it is.
No, but this afternoon, when when we left to go and get the gas and stuff like that.
Well, Danny, they told everybody to take their
Yeah,
laptops home.
Everybody went home. Traffic cleared out really early. And I think the reason it's not because of tornadoes that they said tell everyone to take everything home is because of that and flash flooding.
That might not even rain. Unless this is coming this way right at.
Phoenix, if you pay close attention to whenever the lightning's higher, you can see it.
Kind of arch.
Yeah. Well, no, there's a wall cloud forming in there.
No, there is a wall cloud there.
Okay, that's what it is I noticed that the lightning has gotten harder to see, and that's because of the wall cloud.
Okay, you see, okay, Lake Erie's right there, and it starts to go back up like this, okay? The storm is going this way, out, and it's gonna...
And then what is over there will hit us then.
What's over here is coming up.
What's behind us?
Yes, there's one coming up from behind us.
Yeah.
So what's behind us then? Oh, if it starts lightning here, you two get your asses inside.
Oh yeah. I think it's like, if it's
I mean,
really
because
on-
this isn't here. This
No,
is
we are like in the eye of a storm right now.
But I will tell you both, people have been hit by lightning 20 miles away from where it was
Oh,
lightning.
Yeah.
we're fine. I'm wearing rubber shoes.
I'm wearing plastic shoes.
I gotta go look at this place on my neck. I found a place on my
Now, if anything gets hit, it'd be a transformer or a tree.
Yeah.
For us.
car is silver with a guy with a scar on his face dragging you all through there.
Huh?
There's a guy on the loose that tried to abduct a little boy. He has a scar on his face.
I'll kill him, don't worry.
Yeah, probably kill him.
Hey, he tackled that little boy and threw his cell phone in the bushes, but that little boy got away from him.
That little boy's not me.
Well, I'm saying that the little boy was smart. He struggled and got away from him.
Yeah.
There's two of us. We're fine. Buddy system.
No, I need that hand to keep my iPad steady. The lightning's all around us now.
Oh, it is.
But we can't see that one yet. There's the thunder.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. The wind's coming from that direction.
The wind's behind us, yeah.
Oh, that was beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
This is going on the internet.
I wish I had one of those still cameras that people take pictures with lightning
Okay,
with.
well, because YouTube doesn't like me, I'll have to stop this video so then I can make up another 10-minute video.
Yes.